Do you want to know how you can create a new agency account using Upwork? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a new agency account using Upwork. Go ahead and open upwork.com, search for Upwork, and click on the first link, or you can just open upwork.com on your browser and then click on this option which is called profile and account. Make sure that you are logged in, so after that go ahead and click on this and go to account settings. Scroll a bit down and you can see additional accounts option. If you scroll a bit down, you can see agency account. Click on new agency account over here. In a while you can see that you can now enter an agency name. So go ahead and write down your agency name and click continue. You can see that you can now buy this after you click continue to basic, or you can buy using other accounts. You can see that you can now upgrade to Agency Plus, edit your profile and find work. So let's go ahead and click edit profile and let's spice some things up. So you can go ahead and write down your tagline, view profile as client, scroll a bit down and you can see some of the skills, portfolios, featured clients, work history and business managers which you can add. And if you see on the right hand side, you can see you can add all of the company informations, languages, awards to your newly created agency account. So guys, this is how you create an agency account on Upwork. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.